Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Museum of Geology. Today I will discuss about the mineral anhydrite. So anhydrite is an evaporite mineral that occurs in extensive layer deposits in sedimentary basins where large volumes of seawater have been evaporated. It is typically interbedded with halite, gypsum and limestone. So basically it is interbedded with halite, gypsum and limestone in accumulations that can be up to hundreds of feet thick. On a much smaller scale, on a much smaller scale, anhydrite can form in shoreline or tidal flat sediments from the evaporation of seawater. It is also occurs in vein filling minerals which are in hydrothermal deposits. It is an anhydrous calcium sulfate closely related to gypsum. And now uses of anhydrite. So anhydrite can be substituted for gypsum in some of uses. Both minerals crushed as a soil treatment, and in this purpose anhydrite is superior because 1 ton of anhydrite has more calcium than 1 ton of gypsum. Anhydrite has also higher solubility in water, which helps it benefit the soil quickly. So anhydrite also has a higher solubility which helps it benefit the soil quickly. Small amount of anhydrite are used as drying agents in plaster, paint and varnish, also used along with gypsum to produce plaster, joint compound, wallboard and other products of construction industry. Anhydrite has also been used as a source of sulfur in the production of sulfuric acid. And another important use of anhydrite is that it is used in manufacture of Portland cement. Now I will discuss about the global deposits of gypsum. So in Pakistan, anhydrite deposits are in Salt Range area, which is in Punjab province, and basically anhydrite occurs throughout the world, found to date on every continent except Antarctica. More than 90 countries produce gypsum worldwide because anhydrite is basically interbedded with gypsum, halite or limestone, so it will mostly found with gypsum, and the global resources are enormous. Some known occurrences contain as much gypsum as the total used, or we can say as the total world annual demand. For example, Libya contains more than 80,000 metric ton of Jurassic age gypsum with an estimated purity of 80% underlying on area 65 km long up to 25 km wide and locally up to 400 meter thick. So the thickness is 400 meter. Another country which is Latvia. So the Latvia contains gypsum resources estimated at 1000 metric ton at a depth of less than 50 meter and 1400 meter ton, or we can say 1400 metric ton at a depth of greater than 50 meter. Considerable gypsum resources occur in western part of the United States, Canada and Mexico. So viewers, it is all about anhydrite, and we have discussed gypsum with respect to global deposits because anhydrite mainly interbedded with gypsum, halite and limestone, so it is basically found with gypsum. I hope you will enjoy this valuable information about anhydrite. Let's wait for my next video for more information. Thank you.